President Uhuru Kenyatta, President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, and President Felix Tshisekedi Chilombo. As I think President Museveni said, the main duty has been performed by and between President Uhuru Kenyatta and President Tshisekedi. Ours was to witness and welcome the signing of DRC being integrated in our East African community, and we are just here to do that. But our leaders have already spoken. I just be brief by saying that, Your Excellencies, we have made very many speeches in our years in the recent past and beyond. I think we just have to get down to do the work that is entailed in the statements we have made to our people of our individual countries, as well as the East African community. And I am with you all the way to achieving the objectives of the deeper and wider integration of our community. So thank you, President, for inviting us to be here. And thank you, the people of Kenya, for hosting us and with the warm hospitality we have been accorded. Thank you very much.